Hello and welcome! In this tutorial I will show you how to prepare the energy consumption data from your measuring devices so that you can use it for tax relief applications in accordance with the sections 9a and 9b of the German Electricity Tax Act. The corresponding data export in the GridVis web provides you the basis for submitting your application on the Customs portal. Open the data export. Read the instructions in the introduction. If your measuring devices record values at 15-minute intervals, an optimized calculation method can be used. Make sure that your measuring devices are configured accordingly. Configuring the data export requires precise knowledge of the measuring points and goals of the reimbursement procedure. For optimal configuration, we recommend seeking assistance from specialists. You can find relevant service providers on our website and in the video description. Please note in particular that Janitzer accepts no liability for incorrect applications in customer-specific configurations. Set the period for which you are applying for relief. You can only select the current and last year here, as you can only apply for a refund for these periods. In this step, you assign your measuring devices to the respective consumption types. Create a separate assignment for each of your locations. Next, enter the consumption data for your locations as stated on the invoices from your energy supplier. As the information on the invoices is legally binding, this data will be used as the basis for the total consumption in the application. Check the summary for the time period and your device assignment. Select whether you want to receive the export as an Excel workbook or as a PDF file. Name the file that will be created when the data export is generated. The name used to list the data export in the overview may differ from the file name. Finally, specify how the export should behave if a file with the same name already exists when it is executed. The data export is created when you save, but it is not executed automatically. You can execute the data export using the corresponding quick action. Click on the data export entry to see all the files that have been created. Here you can view, download or delete the file. You can now use these values to complete the application on the Customs portal. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitzer.de.